Hey, Ruben is here, and today I will show you how to find the right emails and LinkedIn profiles for your link building outreach in just 3 steps. The first step, what we need to do is to find the LinkedIn company URL of the target domains. Step 1. The easiest way is to search company names directly on LinkedIn. However, keep in mind that too many searches can limit or even suspend your account. A safer alternative is to check website's footer for LinkedIn. Anyhow, not every website includes their social media links in their footers. So, what's the solution? Use an advanced Google search like this. Simply replace Saynine with the company name you are searching for. This should help you to find LinkedIn company URL in the search results. Once you found it, collect the all LinkedIn URLs in just one spreadsheet. So we finished the first step. Let's move on the second one. Step 2. Identify the positions that you need to target. For link building outreach, focus on positions such as SEO managers, link builders, or even content managers. Just make sure that anyone's role is related to SEO. Here's how you can find them. Open the company's LinkedIn page, click on the People's tab. Search for the relevant positions, check the headline for each person. To confirm their position, review their experience fields and compare them. Add their personal information like names and surname, their profile LinkedIn URL and positions in the same spreadsheet. So here we go again. This is the last part of the collecting data. Step 3. Once we've collected all this information in the spreadsheet, it's time to guess their email addresses. Use a formula to generate email variations. You can find the formula in the description and spreadsheet as well. For the example, firstname.lastname@domain.com or just firstname@domain.com. Paste the formula into the right column of your spreadsheet and adjust it if it's necessary. Next, select all the email addresses, click on the Insert, navigate to Smart Chips and press on People. This will highlight the valid email addresses with a gray background. So, after gathering all this data, you can start your outreach campaign. These methods are 100% free, but they are time-consuming. Alternatively, you can use third-party tools to find email addresses or even profile LinkedIn URLs more efficiently. In our company, we are using our custom scripts and automations, so our link builders can avoid wasting time on manual tasks like this. If you want to learn more about SaaS link building and our processes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.